Oh, my both accounts is the same thing, okay? AGAPETONG, all in one word. Surprisingly, I got that name, because it's very difficult to get a name without the number right now. Understand? I don't know, I'm so lucky. It's my last name, TONG. This is my, so you can just link up. Both my YouTube account and my face are both Agape Tom. It's all in one word. Okay. Yeah. So I'm so lucky without a number. Then you just link to my account. Alright, and also you open up your account to everybody here. So everybody, we have opportunity to give you the input. Even though we don't have to, but at least we have opportunity to look at your presentation. And also, I suggest, okay, when you post it on the YouTube, on the tag, you mention this is a CalMet taxation, because that's one way we can promote our school. If people check online, search the CalMet, what kind of quality we school, has, people can see that. Probably we are the first university utilize this free. It's not just for fun. We have a lot of application for that. Promote our school. Again, if you are very shy, you don't want to, show your face, it's fine. Let me hear your voice.
So I can wear the mask.
Oh, up to you. Costume. Okay, let me give you the time is. Okay. All right. So let me do about this. Chapter 2. Okay, it's not that important, but at least give us the structure. Any questions right now? It's okay. Where is my sign sheet? Still there? Sign paper? Anybody? It's not signed yet? Okay, can you give it to me? I will use this, okay, to send you the email. Because I know, but please, okay, everybody get a book next session, okay? You have 2 weeks to get a book, so there's no excuses saying, well, it's still on the way, right? Okay. Can anybody tell me, okay, what department under the federal government structure, okay, what department IRS belong to? Under what department?
Treasury.
Treasury, okay. So, IRS is the agency, okay, Internal Revenue Service, okay, is the agency to collect the revenue for federal government. Okay. It's very, very complicated structure. And I don't know if there's any one person in the whole world can name how many branches they have. Huge structure, huge. Okay. So number one, you understand IRS, Internal Revenue Service. Okay, is under the Department of Treasury. Okay, Treasury. Then this law, IRC, Internal Revenue Code, is a law passed by Congress. So every year, if you want to follow all the tax news, you just check online. Okay, every year they have a new information there. Okay, and for example, I just mentioned, Obama government just passed the insurance policy, right? Require throughout the whole nation for everybody to get the insurance. Very complicated. Well, we don't know what will happen right now. That's one example. Okay, so if you're interested, you can follow that. Check online. Another issue is uncertain right now. State tax and state tax. I just give one example. We will not discuss this too much for this semester, for this course. Okay. Very similar to this is give tax, because all people just mentioned it. So let me repeat it. Okay, for this course, we will emphasize more on the income tax because income tax is the majority revenue for IRS. However, don't forget, there is a separate issue, separate revenue for IRS. For example, estate tax. So what is estate tax? Anybody give me one example. What is estate tax? Well, if we are living in the United States, we are paying tax all the time.
Property tax.
All the time. Okay, so what is estate tax? No. Estate tax means
Tax on the movement
Inheritance.
of
inheritance.
inheritance. Yeah.
Inheritance. One person died, and this person lived for 150 years old. And doing this, probably starting from his or her 18 years old, starting to pay each year income tax. Very good citizen, okay? And finally, this person passed away. Whatever this person left may subject to the final estate tax. One more time. Uncle Sam just not let him or her go without tax. Okay, so that's called estate tax. And last year, 2010, it was very unique year for estate tax because it's for free. So next year is you are free to die. You are free, you can go. However, 2011, it go back to 2000. Exemption only dropped to $1 million. Dropped to, it was a long story. 2009, exemption, state tax is 3.5 million. So if this person died, his or her total assets under $3.5 million, no state tax. 2010, free to die. But this year, dropped to 1 million. So if one person died with total assets 1.2 something, 1 million tax free, but 200,000 state tax. Roughly speaking, 50%. One half. Roughly speaking, one half. So we are living in the United States, we are paying tax everywhere. Okay? So we may not talk about too much. Okay? Another issue related to it, that's deep. We talked about this already. Say this person who died at 150 years old, and he or she is so smart. Wow, I don't want to die and paying tax to Uncle Sam, right? So I start to give away to somebody else. Give away, okay? Not necessarily to his or her children, okay? To everybody. And Uncle Sam say, no, when you give away to somebody else, you pay tax. And this person, what tax? I pay already. I pay every year. And Uncle Sam say, well, this is called gift tax. Right? You are so rich, right? You give away, right? Then you pay tax. So this is on the top of income tax. It's called gift tax. We're gonna talk about what's definition of gift. Gift is really means something you don't ask for return. So if you are my client, by the end of the year I give you something, that's not gift. That's something, it's not gift, okay?